tired eyes. Cold moon hanging in the sky. Every call fades into rain. Every night feels the same. No warm lights, no place feels like home. Nobody waits for me at the end of these streets. Just my shadow walking slow. With this pain nobody knows. Nobody waits for me. Still I chase my dreams. Reggae playing through the dark, trying to heal my heart. Old train passing in the night. Street lamps losing all their light. Still I walk through broken days, searching for a better place. One day this storm will fade, and peace will find my way. Nobody waits for me, but my soul still believes. With this reggae melody, I'm still standing on my feet. Nobody waits for me. Still I chase my dreams. Reggae playing through the dark, trying to heal my heart. Yeah, rain keeps falling there. Another lonely night. Ooh, rain on these cold streets, walking with tired feet. City lights don't shine for me, just shadows and broken dreams. Too much weight on my soul, but I still move on. Rain on this cold street, lonely nights and no sleep. Still I fight through the pain while the sky cries again. Rain on this cold street, reggae healing me slowly. One more night, one more scar, still I carry my heart. Old smoke under neon lights, cold wind through the night. Nobody knows my name, still surviving in the rain. Jah tell me don't give up, even when life gets rough. Rain on this coast, every scar inside my chest. Only music gives me rest. Jah knows what I've been through. That's why I sing the truth. Smoke under broken lights, but I still believe in life. With these songs beside my soul, I lose control. Smoke by the broken lights, lonely roads and fading signs. Still my heart keeps holding on till another night is One day I know too many nights without a smile, too many roads and lonely miles, but deep inside I still believe better days are waiting for me. The rain won't last forever. I'll rise again, stronger. One day I'll feel alive under brighter skies. No more pain inside my mind, no more tears to hide. One day I'll feel alive with reggae by my side, and the darkness in my soul will finally let me go. Morning sun breaks through the rain, slowly washing off the pain. Every scar becomes a soul that helped me carry on. Jah gave me strength to survive.